I love it. It's what I waited for.
So how'd you find Kimmy?
I found Kimmy through watching all the YouTube, and my cousin Marla came and had her hair done, and it looked beautiful.
What were you looking for to get with Kimmy?
With Kimmy, I'm looking to get layers that blend with each other, and also to, have some volume, which I like volume on the top of my head.
Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here, and I have beautiful Gigi here. So her daughter used to cut her hair, and then she doesn't cut it anymore, so now it's my turn. But listen, she told me that so many people don't know how to do the beautiful layers and keep her length. I'm going to show you how to do that because you can. And listen, she didn't know she has a calic. Let me show you what a calic is. Okay, so look at this hair right here. See how that baby's growing up? It's growing against the way that you want it to go. Where here, her hair, if you look at that calic, it's just going down. This one is kind of like, oh no, I'm going up, not going down. So you want to work with the calic. See how it bumps up on its own? But that gives her a really good part right here, which I love. Now look, I want to show you a couple things right now. Did you cut your bangs yourself? Okay, whoever cut her bangs did not do a good job. I'm just telling you because it should go this way. It's this way, should not be that way. Okay, that's number one. So I'm also just going to get her part a little bit just to see. And right away, you guys know how I do I like to do the frame more now, and then I'll do the beach ball. Okay, so we're going to take, now listen, where do we put that calic? Look at where that calic wants to go. It wants to go this side. So we're going to leave it over here. I'm going to take this hair and I'm going to, look at all that extra hair that's on there. That should not be on there. Now look, instantly it's going to be able to feather back and give her a beautiful, gorgeous side bang. Now I'm going to take this little calic here very lightly, and I'm just going to do it the opposite direction. This will go this way. Now I'm going to take section 5, where she's going to have 5 sections. The one in the back, the mohawk, 2, 2, 3, 3, that's behind the ear. Front of the ear is 4, 4, and the one face frame is 5. So she'll have 5 sections. Now look at, see how this is so straight? Now look at, this is the way we're going to go. We want to take that and we want to come this way. We want this seamlessly to come down. Some of it's okay, but really the little parts matter. So I'm going to grab that. Now look at, I want to, right there, I just connected it. Beautiful. See how it frames her face now? I'm going to turn your head over a little bit. Okay, look at right here. I'm going to go up here. Listen, I'm using my imagination, imaginary line right there. There you go. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to take section 3 from the back and I'm going to bring it down and forward. She wants her length. She can keep her length, but you got to be able to layer all this other stuff and keep the length. Okay, now I'm going to kind of move over. My body position has to turn. I need to make sure that I'm not cutting too much of that. So I'm pulling this forward. Her nose is really going to be my guide. So you can pull this and this could be like her guide. She already has wispy ends, so I'm not going to do them more. But I am going to just connect this a little bit more. She needs a little more layering right in here. See all that extra? And she likes it piecey. She showed me a whole bunch of great pictures. So that's how I know. And listen, guys, you need pictures. You need to see what people want so you can have an idea of like, okay, right here, I want to get that. I don't need to go to my fingers. I'm going to mess up. I need to use my imagination and see the line. Okay, now I'm going to go to section 3 in the back and I'm pulling it forward. I don't really need to do too much more than that because her hair is very layered in the back too, so it won't reach. Okay, now let me see. Now you check it. You always check in the middle, right here. Make sure these two are the same. Now go behind the ear, just grab these 2 pieces. Check. Come right here, check. Make sure they're balanced. It doesn't have to be perfection, but it has to be really balanced. And then this is gonna be different because this is gonna go over to her side. But one thing I want you to see right here, see this little extra piece right here? It's almost like a little too heavy. I see it. I'm gonna take this forward and I'm gonna flip it. And I just wanna get that extra little weight right off there so it goes back, this piece. You know, I'll kind of make it go nice and beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna start our beach ball. I am gonna pull it all back and all down. Now look at, she doesn't really have any layers in there. You know, she knows her hair well. She actually is a dog groomer, so that's why. She has very good knowledge of hair. You gotta notch her hair. Her hair is so thick on top, but I want this baby to pop right up. When she does that with a brush, it's gonna just stay on its own. Look at all that extra hair. Look have to take a lot of that off. It's just all extra hair. It doesn't need to be there.
That's why you can't style this hair.
When she wants to keep that length, I'm just gonna travel it up. So now here's her length. I'm just gonna bring it all the way up. Hold on, make sure I'm in my section. So you just take that mohawk. You don't understand that when you have a good haircut, it makes a big difference.
I mean, all you gotta do is shake your head and everything falls into place. That's a good haircut.
That is a good haircut. Look at all the extra hair that she's had that shouldn't be. It should not be on there. I mean, this was way long, way long. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so happy. Look at this.
And then I could go like see,
yeah,
just with the little heat, it'll get. I could tell the difference. You know what I mean?
Honey, I cut like that much off. So this is what I'm using. I love this mousse.
What's it called?
Hi. Hello, it's called the Mousse Magnifying Mousse. Magnifying Mousse. So look at, I'm gonna put about that much in her whole head. This is really powerful, and it's moisturizing. Most mousses can make your hair dry or something. Super moist. So I'm gonna do it up top, at the back. She's got some good hair. I wanna really grab those bangs because I'm gonna make them do what I want them to do. Yes.
So
make them do what I want to do. I'm just going to use a little bit more, and then I'm going to grab. Now I want to really also tame this ends. Get these ends, get these ends, get these ends. Put your head forward, hon. Okay, so this is smoothing anti-frizz blowout spray. Okay, so I still want something that's, it's not gonna stop her height or her volume in her hair, but we wanna just stop any frizz. We don't want anything frizzy, we want it nice and smooth. All right, and then stay tuned for after we're done, you're gonna see the finished result. All right, guys, here's Gigi. Woohoo! How do you like it, Gigi?
I love it. It's what I waited for.
Yeah, see, we got those layers. Look at how nice her bangs go over. See how high and how much height she has on the top? You need to cut that off. You can't layer it and get a beautiful Jaclyn Smith, Farrah Fawcett, Dolly Parton hair. It looks gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much. I love it. 2-hour ride was well worth it.